and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will show you how the Logchannel module works. Unlike the logevent module that only has access to the logs of the Windows registers, this type of module allows retrieving data from other log files that are configured as channels. That way, it is possible to obtain the logs included in the applications and services records. Therefore, the first thing you will have to do is access the Windows Event Viewer and the Application and Service Logs section. Here you will have to navigate to the directory of the event that you're going to monitor. Once you get there, choose the event. Click on the event to see the details more in depth. In this new window, type in the name of the registration channel and optionally the other data, such as the event ID if you want to monitor a specific event, as it will be my case, the type of event, which can be informational, error, etc., and the application that generates the event. Keep in mind that this module is case sensitive, so special care must be taken when writing down the information. Once you take note of this data, go to the Windows Agent. Here, go to the Windows Agent Plugins section, where to create the module's execution. Activate the Advanced token and type down the parameters of the module you took note of in the event, such as the event channel, the ID and type of event, and additionally you may add a text string if you want it to show you only the events that contain such content defined in that string. Once you're done, click Add. It should be noted that doing it this way, data will be sent to an Elasticsearch server, which you must have correctly configured. We'll leave you a video in the description for the installation and configuration of this server in case you don't have one. On the other hand, if you want to execute it as a module, it must be async_string type, and you will have to go to the agent module section and create it as a data module. That said, let's continue. Once created, wait for the agent to restart so that it executes the module and you may see the information collected. To see this information, access the log viewer in the monitoring section. Select the name of your Windows agent, and if you did it correctly, the name you assigned to the module will appear in the source section. Select the module, click search, and the data collected from that event will appear just below. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.